Now that we have made all of our work planes, we can begin to make our boundaries. First, we will make the back work plane active and hit top view. I like to skip layers by 20. This allows for easy organization for your work plane specific flanges and boundaries. It makes templating easy and gives ample room for layers between the different work planes. So I'll make layer 20 active. Before we make our boundary, make sure to always make your boundary with the work plane active you wish to cut. If you don't do this, it can cause errors when calculating programs. I'm going to use Create Cutting Range Surface to make a boundary easily, located here. This will make a boundary and can make flanges for you in a few steps. We will just use it to make a boundary. So we will turn off Create Tangent Surface and Create Horizontal Surface. In this box, the distance means the distance between the bottom surface of the surfaces you select and the cutting range surface to be created. We will enter 100 in the distance box. Offset amount is how much you wish to offset the cutting range surface. You can layer move here and set tolerances here. Once you have set all these, you can see CAMTool is asking you to pick a surface. Here you can pick all the surfaces you wish to be included in the boundary. Note, they all must be connected as this function can only create one boundary at a time. Once you are done selecting surfaces, execute to confirm your selections. CAMTool is now asking you for a temporary entity or to select the open edge of the boundary. Once clicked on, it will ask you for a direction to offset. Clicking the arrow will toggle between outward and inward offsetting. Once done, execute to create the cutting range surface. I'll do this for the other three work planes, changing layers for each one. Now I am ready to create my first 3+2 program. I will switch to the back tilt work plane, and I will make this program as I normally would make a 3-axis program. After creating the program, we can see the calculation origin is already set to back tilt. This is because I had the back tilt active when I created the program. All that's left to do is add my common flanges on layer 5, select my boundary, and change my program to reflect my new work plane. Now I can copy my rough back program. Here is where I can switch the calculation origin. Switch it to the back work plane and then select my boundary. I'll do this for the other tilts, then calculate. We can see that all 4 tilts are now roughed out from each work plane.